Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Apollo Group TV on a FireStick. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Go to the main screen of your FireStick device and navigate to Settings in the top menu. In the Settings menu, select My Fire TV or device, depending on your FireStick version. Choose Developer Options. Turn on the option that says Apps from Unknown Sources. This allows you to install apps from sources other than the Amazon App Store. Return to the main screen and search for Downloader in the search bar. Select the Downloader app from their search results and install it on your FireStick. Open the Downloader app on your FireStick. In the Downloader app, enter the following URL to download the Apollo Group TV APK file. Once the download completes, the APK file will be saved on your FireStick. After downloading the APK file, the Downloader app will prompt you to install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Apollo Group TV on your FireStick. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Apollo Group TV app in your Apps and Channels section on the FireStick home screen. Open the Apollo Group TV app on your FireStick. Log in with your Apollo Group TV account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up on their official website first. Once logged in, you can start streaming live TV channels and on-demand content offered by Apollo Group TV. So that's basically how you can install Apollo Group TV on a FireStick. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.